Hi there, we've got another product here from Lidl. Just a plain and simple wall clock. No numbers, in black. 3-year warranty, batteries included, low noise. So I gather we haven't got it for tick, 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 tick. It is for my van here, in my camper van. So let's get it out and let's have a look. So, here it is, plain and simple. Getting a bit of reflection. So this is it. Just a plain and simple clock, but I thought I've got a perfect place for it in my van. So let's turn it over and have a look. So, it's just a plain old simple, what's mechanical, what's in everything. Batteries included. Yes, we are. Here we have. Never heard of them before. Let's push it in. Bit stiff. So there we have it in. I can't hear anything, so it is quiet. Look, it is going round. Getting a lot of reflection off here, so it is very quiet, to be fair. And I gather this is to alter the time. So I gather that is the top. So we're 1:15 at the moment, so I gather that'll be about it. Well, that's it, plain and simple. Like I say, you're getting a lot of light reflection, but it looks nice. Plain and simple, perfect what I want. So you should a hanging hook there. I'll show you where I'm going to put it. So there we have it. Mounted it. Perfect. Just one screw behind. It's not going anywhere. It covers a little bit of my carpeting where there's a split, a join, so that's kind of covering that bit up. Thanks for watching, hope this helps. I just got a little bit messy at the moment. I've got all my stuff out from my mountain biking, so it airs out in this colder weather. Cheers.